Remodeling your home interior living space is simple with this luxury vinyl floor. Its high point chestnut color finish perfectly replicates the look of real wood. Wherever you install it, it instantly makes the area warm and inviting. It also beautifully complements contemporary or traditional home decor. What's great about this product is you can install it in any level of your home. Its water-resistant feature makes it appropriate for all grades of installation: above grade, on grade, or below grade. It's ideal for high-traffic areas like a basement, kitchen, or living room. You can also install it over existing wood, vinyl, tile, or concrete. Its 4mm wear layer makes it perfect for residential application. As stated earlier, this luxury vinyl is ideal for indoor residential use and in environments where the temperature is controllable. It also features the TrafficMASTER's patented grip strip design that enables quick and hassle-free installation. So adhesive and floor preparation are not necessary for installing the planks. Cleaning up and maintaining the floor is even more comfortable with this product. It easily cleans up using a dust mop or vacuum.